Hello everyone, this is Grace from Beauté Seoul, and I'm going to read you some reviews that we received in our Amazon accounts, starting with our soft bonnet hairdryer. Number 1. Unimpressed. I'm very sorry that we didn't impress you, but actually I don't understand why, because our soft bonnet dryer is super impressive when it blows. So thank you for commenting, and we hope to have a better review from you next time. Number 2. From Sandy. It keeps coming off your head while using it. SMH! Now I know what SMH means. It's shaking my head. So it needs adjustable straps to secure the head while drying your hair. And this will be beneficial to everyone who purchased this product. So first of all, I'm sorry that the product was effective for you, and thankful for your honest review, Sandy. So I want to explain you how these straps should have come with the bonnet. First, you have this lace, so you can adjust the bonnet with this one. And second, these straps are adjustable, and they should have been here. I don't know what was exactly the problem, but so sorry, it should have been here. Number 3, from Gloria. This hood dryer not only heats up your neck, but your arm, if it gets aligned with the part of the hood that is connected to your portable hair dryer. So Gloria, thank you for your feedback, and here are some tips for you. First of all, to prevent the heating in your head and your neck, you should wear a headband. You put it this way, so that way all your headband is protected. And second, about the part, meaning the tube from the bonnet. So after you put the bonnet over your head, you can put this in front of you or behind, and that way your arms are free like a bird. So you can move easily, and it shouldn't come like getting burned or whatever. It shouldn't happen, so you will be free to move. And if you want to get our headband, go to our Amazon Bonnet Hairdryer attachment and go to the special offer part and click over the add to the cart button, and you will get it for free. So that's everything you have to do. Number 4. Mr. Jones, or M. Jones, better say, it's not Mr. This dryer will blow off your head, even if you secure it. Also, it gets super hot around the neck and doesn't distribute the heat evenly throughout your hair. So, Mr. M. Jones, thank you for your words, and we're very sorry for all the inconveniences. So for blowing off your head problem, I will show you. So you should do this, so it's tight, and then here, so you can see under the chin and the chin bone, not the neck, so far away from the neck so it doesn't choke you out. And second, about the hot problem, you should wear our headband and put it around your head, so that way once you put the bonnet here, it wouldn't burn your head or your neck, because this is behind here. And about the don't distribute the heat evenly, that unfortunately it only has one in way, so it will happen, but we will try to fix it with further improvements in our bonnet for sure. So thank you for your words, we will take it in count and we will improve for you. Number 5, from Katie. Did not come with the leave-in conditioning treatment as advertised. Gets very hot and uncomfortable around the neck area and hard to stay on. I had to hold it in place the whole time. So, Katie, sorry for the misunderstanding. What? It is written in our description that it doesn't come with the spray, but actually it's our fault for not being clear about it. So, I'm sorry. And about the other problems, you can see our previous tips. Here is a discount coupon for you guys for the DYCS price, so click on it, don't forget it. Number 6, from Christina. It doesn't stay on. I turn the blower dryer on and it blows right off my head. All the chin strap does is succeed in near choking me to death. Oh, so sorry. With the sudden acceleration of the cap blowing off, even trying to hold it on with one hand is a struggle. Nice concept, failed delivery. So, thank you, Christina, for your honest words. Here I'll give you some tips. Even if I mentioned it before, this is just for you to be clear about how to strap on. So, here again. Okay, first you put the headband. Imagine I have the headband. And second, I tighten up this one so it doesn't move. And then I will put on the straps. And let me give you my beautiful profile.
No, God, please, no!
And you adjust it under your chin bone and not your neck. So this way, once it blows, it will come like this and not like here. So, please, Christina, put it under your chin. Remember it. Thank you, all of you, for all your thoughts. Thanks to you, we are always improving and finding our better me. Please give us reviews. We love your thoughts. We love your feedback. So, don't forget to comment and review our website. Thank you, everyone. Hat, hat, hatu. This is Korean way to love you.
Awesome. That was great. I love it.
And becoming the best at it.